internship student at Avishkar Tech Solutions Private Limited. This is my data science project and the topic of my project is suicide rate analysis. First of all, I have imported all the necessary libraries and then I have read my data set. This is the data set which contains the in columns country, year, sex, age, suicide number, population, suicides per 100k population, country year, HDI for year, GDP for year, GDP per capita and generation. Then I have done the value counts of the different columns, and after that I have done the length of the country and number of the countries, where the number of countries are 101. Therefore, for a detailed analysis of my data set, I have taken the bar plot and the histogram model, and this is the histogram diagram where I have taken year, suicide number, population, suicides per 100k population, HDI for year and GDP per capita. These are the different bar plot diagrams of my suicide rate analysis project, and here I have shown the correlation of the different columns with each other. Therefore, after that I have checked to find out the null value of my project, where I have found that HDI for year has null value of 19456. So I have dropped HDI for year. After that, I have imported the column sex, generation, age, country and year into the label encoder. After that, I have splitted the data set in the train and the test, and then I have went for model selection. Here I have created the holders to store the model performance result and the functions to call for storing the result. Now my first model is the linear regression model, where I have done to compute the accuracy of the model performance and compute the root mean square error, and therefore I have printed the linear regression accuracy on training data, linear regression accuracy on test data, and linear regression the RMSE of the training data set and the test data set. Now 0.3f means I have taken the floating value up to 3 points, and therefore I have stored the result of the linear regression accordingly. After that, I have taken the decision tree regression model, and again I have stored the result of the decision tree, and then the random forest regression model, and again I have stored the value, and the KNN model. After finding all the values of the different model, I have stored the results of the model accordingly, and then I have sorted the values of the model, where I have found that random forest model has the best accuracy of the train and the test. So now I have imported the PKL and I have opened the random forest PKL, and therefore I have predicted by giving a value, and I have printed the rate of the suicide. This is my HTML file. Now let us give the value to check the suicide rate prediction. Male, age I have chosen for 35 to 54 years, generation X, country Argentina, year 1993, and then after submitting we get the suicide number of 174. Thank you. This is all for my project.